Yo, listen, I know niggas be showing off their cars, but I don't believe these be their cars, you heard? I believe them shits be rentals, you heard? Look at my fucking lineup. I own all these shits. These my shits. I don't rent from nobody. These my fucking cars. But neither here or there, you heard? Listen, y'all niggas tell Meek Mill, come fight me. Tell Meek Mill I wanna fight that nigga one-on-one, you heard? And I don't even got a trip about money and all that. Cause I got more money than a nigga. Look at my lineups, huh? Look at these watches, huh? This shit's $250,000 to $1 million a pop, nigga. Look. I don't got a fake front for you niggas. These all my shits. These all my cars. And for y'all little niggas that be getting Lambo trucks, for every rapper that get a Lambo truck, it's cause they can't afford this shit. This the fucking Aventador.
That ain't no little, nah, nigga, that's an SVJ, nigga. Don't play around.
That ain't no little nigga car. Y'all little niggas with the